What is going on with y'all, man? Y'all, welcome back to some other freaking shit, man. Y'all, I'm bringing y'all this joint early. You feel what I'm saying? So I just hope y'all ready for this, man. That's why I told y'all to stay tuned, because you never know when your boy gonna pop in. You feel me? So anyway, guys, y'all know what it is, man. We got a brand new NEFFEX track in the building. So next up, we got NEFFEX, The Rain. So let's get into it. So I ain't gonna hold you guys up no more, man. Look, we need at least 30 likes on this joint. I'm not taking anything less than that. We need a NEFFEX Nation along with a Frost Nation. But last but not least, headphones up. Let's get into it. Loving the sound, loving the sound.
We take drugs to escape. I feel the rain, it burns like pain alone again. Where are my friends? I need to change things in my brain. That's why we take drugs to escape. The weather speaks to me, a different frequency. Gave you a piece of me, but you left so easily. I thought you needed me, you kept deceiving me. Think you mistreated me, what did you ever see in me? I'm in a better place, I'm in a sweater space. The mole's a warm embrace, taking me to better days. I work to make a change.
Alright, NEFFEX.
All the pain, distractions keep me sane. I may never be the same.
Never be the same.
Wait, I don't like that, quit it. I'm a real big cynic, I don't really trust too much, I limit. But when I do, I'm committed. And when I do, man, I'm in it.
And I'm in it.
Play side till we winning. Ride or die, I'ma always stay with it. Got my mind tangled in knots, trying to hide from the painful thoughts. Crouching behind all the memories lost. The happy ones swinging awful spots. I visualize a lie, protagonistic thoughts, antagonistic boss. I try to win, I try to see the plot. I feel the rain, it burns like pain alone again. Where are my friends? I need to change things in my brain. That's why we take drugs to escape. But that don't change a fucking thing. I need some space, it's not a phase. These sleepy days, they keep me sane. I'll dream of rain that cause it's so cold outside.
Talk to him, Bryce.
Why am I in this life? Why am I here alive? The only point survive. But if we all just
talk to him, Bryce,
then we all fail with time. No, that cannot be right. There must be more to life. I wanna make a difference. I wanna be consistent.
Yes.
I wanna be committed. That shit can be so addicting. I have some new convictions.
I wanna make a difference.
New conditions. I have some premonitions that this time things will be different. I wake up now to a morning filled with sun. I wake up now when I finally don't feel numb.
Ooh.
I got something in my life I really want. And I feel like the change has just begun. Look at me now, oh look who I've become. I guess with time you can get what you want. I look back on the things that made me run. They made me who I am, the reason for all I've done. I feel the rain, it burns like pain alone again. Where are my friends? I need to change things in my brain. That's why we take drugs to escape. But that don't change a fucking thing. I need some space, it's not a phase. These sleepy days, they keep me sane. I'll dream of rain that cause no pain.
Come on, Bryce, wait. Absolutely mesmerizing. Y'all give me a smooth pause on that, man. Big round of applause for my dog Bryce Savage, man. Yo, absolutely mesmerizing track, man. I'm talking about just straight vibes all day, man. I'm talking about, yo, when it rains, this is my song right here. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all before, my main, I can't even get the goddamn words out. Like I said before, my main man Bryce Savage come through with a different sound every time. And I'm telling y'all, nothing this man does sounds recycled. Nothing sounds anything like the previous song that came out before. You know, and I tell y'all over and over, you will not get this quality from too many other artists. You will not get this quality from too many other artists. So if you're not on the NEFFEX train by now, I'm telling you, you need to stop playing games to get on board, man. Frost Nation and NEFFEX Nation, sheesh. Come on, man. Come on, man. Stop playing with it. But for everybody else that been on board and still riding along, blessings. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, we going straight through the roof with this one. Y'all, I'm giving this track a 10 out of 10. Congratulations. So anyway, guys, with that being said, man, it's your boy Carlito Frost. About to get up out of here, man. I got to go jump back up in the lab so I can make some more flames for y'all. So with that being said, what y'all can do for me in the meantime, make sure y'all subscribe, slap that like button. Most importantly, the like goal for this video is 35 likes, man. You guessed it. So catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, man, y'all stay cool and stay dangerous. Peace.